Printing a basic poster using HP SmartStream with HP PageWide XL Printer Series. To begin, open the HP SmartStream app. Make sure you select the printer you wish to use to print your poster. Next, create a new job by clicking the Add button and enter its name. Import the file or files you want to print from your system. HP SmartStream shows you a preview of the poster. Ensure that the poster is set up correctly to print. HP SmartStream will suggest the best settings for your job. You can scroll through the settings at the top to make sure they're correct. You can adjust the layout or the printing configuration by interacting with the Grid and Settings menu. If you find any errors, go to the Resolution Center to see how to correct them. Click Crystal Image Preview to see how the image will look after it's been printed. Once all the settings are correctly configured, set the number of copies and click Print to send the job to the printer. Retrieve your poster from the printer. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.